say, hit the gas and then let off a little bit.
How old are you?
I'm 16, man.
16.
Get out the way, nigga!
Back with another one. See where we at with it. We at Cars Culture. Later, we're linking with Macei. Not the little one, but the big one here, man. We'll be teaching her how to slide, how to get wicked. But right now, we just enjoying some cars, like, you know, like we always do, living the lifestyle we live. So, man, I just stay tuned, brother.
Hey. Fuck it, they done woke the demon up. I up the scope too much for odds, they bet off teaming up. I pop a perk though.
I'm manifesting. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I have my brand new 720 McLaren.
For this bitch, you beat her up. Come be sleeping up. That switch shit on me in case you creeping up. Come through, eat it up. You might just get Chanel, you keep it up. Ride around with her, baby. Like I'm drinking that. Up and ready. Up and ready this fully. Up and ready this fully. Like I'm thinking, yeah, I hit the booth and rap, but I'm a trapper fully.
Got my dog Homer and my dog Perion. Away from that rack.
From that rack. From that real rack.
No, that ain't a real rack.
From that real rack.
Hey, stop playing with us. But got my dog in the building, man. My dog in POV. You hear me? Stop playing.
It's good, baby.
Yes, sir. Hey, I'm fresh, bro. I'm fucking with it. Yeah. Them Supremes?
Of course.
Hey.
So we got her.
Hey, get my dog drip, man. Look at this, bro.
Look at the J5s, you feel me? The VDG pants, the fossil belt, not BB side, man. Let's get it, the vision. Fuck with me.
It's on the teeth, though. On the teeth.
Half a beamer in my mouth. I got the Kim K on the bottom.
Oh, God.
Rose gold top. BBS. Aquila shade.
Why you gotta do me like that, bro? Like, look, I just got it, bro.
He's absolutely
Bro,
shit.
Look what you step into.
Bro, hey.
Look what you step into.
You got a beamer, though. Your beamer clean as hell.
My beamer's a fishbowl.
Hey, it don't matter. That don't matter.
I keep the fishbowl for motivation for the kids, because you feel me? I want them to see who's riding in the seat,
Yeah.
because you could do it too.
Yeah.
Unless you him, and then you can do that. You can put
Oh, God, but you see?
You can put the 4 Giottos on the bread. Like, that's sick.
We get in the building, change the settings. I want this shit
bro.
to look pristine,
Bro.
nice, good. Don't fuck up.
Hey,
Don't fuck up. I don't
I'm
want no
recording
fucking.
my
Don't reuse
cameraman, bro.
get my fucking battery right,
Bro, I'm just too official at this. I'm way better than you, bro.
bro. Bitch, you about to run into a fuck.
No, I'm not, bro. I does this.
So this is crazy because this shit's today's the last day it's open.
For real?
Yeah, look, the sign, yeah.
I've never been.
We locked up. Hey, I'm finna pick up Macei. Macei K, finna pick her up, finna scoop her. And then we heading to Mexico. So we gonna catch y'all when we go to Mexico. Cause we finna get turned for real. We gonna see. Back to Mexico, you heard me? We done made it, got Macei in the building.
Hold on. What? No, I stabbed you with it.
All
Alright, yeah, back up.
Alright.
What?
Today a little different. I know people be like, man, why you don't slide your car? Why you always slide somebody else's car? The reason being is I have 4G autos on my car. You know what I'm saying? $10,000 wheels. I'm not finna slide. Hey! I'm not finna slide. You know what I mean?
But I am.
Wait, I'm not finna slide my car like that. Talking about. But today we got a point to prove. And my little sis Macei. I'm gonna teach her how to slide that in my freaking car. This the only time I gonna see this on my 4G autos. It's my only time I'm ever sliding my 2019 Corvette 4G autos. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Well, I'm not gonna be teaching you. Like I always say, he gonna be teaching you.
Who gonna be teaching me? Oh, Lord.
You don't get it.
I get it.
You get it though? Okay, let's pray and let us slide. Cause it didn't happen before. Well, I tried to do a burnout on the 4J. They're so heavy though. They don't even want to let me do a burnout. But we gonna make some shit shake. You feel me? This is what we do. You heard me, Jay? Oh God, Macei in the building. Macei, you ready? Oh, cool.
Make some shake.
Hey, we in here. Ain't no turning back. Come milk.
But it ain't let you do it. You did it!
I did it, bro. Hey, I bet y'all ain't never seen a Corvette on 4J Auto side before. You heard me? We setting trends. Hey, I bet that look good. The cap, hey, the cap's floating
Bro, they really
while I'm
floating,
sliding.
bro.
See, I ended it like that cause I'm like, man, I really was gonna try to do a rollback, but I ain't do it. But I wasn't gonna do it. Come on, Macei. It's your turn. All right. I didn't even get to look, I was so nervous, I couldn't even teach you. Get back in the car.
Oh.
All right, so look. So all I did, well, I kept it in manual this time. Sometimes I keep it in these, sometimes I put it in manual.
All right.
Right? So you putting it in manual, you see what the M at, right? This D, which is drive.
Right.
This is M, which is manual. Or it can stand for Macei.
Right.
Hey, you see what I did there? So what you're gonna do is gonna take it out apart, put it in manual. You know how to do a burnout? No, you don't know how to do a burnout. So you do a burnout, you hold the brake. So you hold the brake, and then you hit the gas at the same time. But then let off the brake a little bit.
Okay.
Right? You got that?
Yeah.
And then you just keep the wheel turned. We just gonna do one spin. That's it.
Okay.
You with that? Don't wreck my car. Miss Kim, I hope you're watching this. I need me a 2020 C8 if this goes if this go wrong. I already had you set to the wheel already turned. So all you gotta do is
Put on the brake.
put on the brake and basically stump the gas.
Put it in manual, right?
And there.
And you say, hit the gas and then let off a little bit and just spin.
Bro,
What you scared?
what you mean what I'm
What
scared
you
for?
scared for? Okay, so
All right, go.
ready?
Yeah. Wait. All right.
Oh wait!
That was a little one too. All right, look. Go in reverse, go in reverse. Now try it again.
Okay.
Hit the gas all the way. Hey, stop playing.
Wait!
We gonna try it again. Fuck it. We in here. All right. Go in reverse.
Reverse.
Reverse. All right. Put it in manual.
I'm gonna back up as soon as she go.
All right, bet.
Let's go, man.
Wait. That was a little one too, but hey, what you felt? What you think? What you thought of that? Huh? Let me know. Now that I think about it, I don't know why I was so nervous.
I don't know why you was nervous either.
I was scared. What you mean?
What?
How old you is?
I'm 16, man.
16. Sliding a Corvette on 4J Autos.
All right, now I'm finna do it myself.
Okay, come on.
Oh,
Fuck it.
let's go.
Back up.
Let's go.
You see the gang. SDR. We in the building.
You better not get hit.
Nah, we good. We good.
All right, ready? Oh!
Macei, what the fuck? Wait. That's enough. Put it in
Wait,
park. That's
wait.
it.
No.
No, what you
Try it
mean no?
again.
Put it in park.
Let me try it again.
No.
Yeah.
Bro.
I got it. I wasn't
No,
gonna
you
hit
almost-
the curve, man.
Yes, you was.
No, I wasn't.
No, you ain't almost hit the curve. You almost hit me.
Get out the way, nigga.
I was out the way.
Why
Hey,
you looking like that?
Cuz.
You did awesome. They hating on you, bro.
They hating on
you
me.
did a thing.
No, we're not. That's enough. I ain't got. And then look. I
Ah!
tried to do what I did earlier and it didn't work.
Do it again. Try it again.
Wait, let me see.
Go
All
ahead.
right.
Go ahead.
Wait,
Man.
I got balance for
You
real.
was a monkey, son.
Bro,
That's
get out of my car.
That's a monkey move.
Just about. We went and checked out a meet this morning. Right now, We just went crazy with Macei.
Y'all gonna teach me some more. So the next car meet, I bet you I'm gonna be sliding somebody's car.
Macei, we're gonna have a part 2. You feel me? This is just a little 1, 2, a little
You be tripping about this little rims.
Hey, you know we about to go crazy later though. You know they gotta call me. Yeah, we finna hit that up. Show her the lifestyle. Man, I'm just out here. She already knew the lifestyle though.
I ain't new to this, nigga.
What the game is?
Street demons, nigga.
Yeah, you heard it. You heard it first.
Demon way or no way?
Hey, oh God, you heard me? Yeah. Stop playing. Hey.
When you started doing this?
That's some new shit. You don't know about that. I gotta teach you way more than that.
No way.
Oh my God. I got problems, I'm fucking evil, I'm being honest, I'm toxic, I'm fucking